Hello, this is Tumsime Matthias on Success Ingredients channel, bringing you videos containing critical ingredients for success. And today I'm going to share with you about the 3 critical things that you must concentrate on if you want to become successful very, very fast. But before I go to them, let me first tell you, in the country Uganda where I live, and in the western region in particular, for you to become a responsible citizen, yes, it is a very big cost. According to the way we live where I live, yes, there is someone we can call a responsible citizen. For you to become a responsible citizen, there are so many things that come into play. But in particular, one, you must have a piece of land. It can't be a plot. It can't be, yes, as big as it can, but you must have something that is a plot of land legally owned by you. Then the second one, you must have you must have that authority of a family. Must have a wife, must have a child, 1 or 2, at least going to school and making success there. So if you are at that point supporting somebody in school, and that is your child, and you have a wife, that is, you have a family, a good looking family, yes, promising success, that is, it is also another area to identify you as a responsible citizen. And then you must have a house, yes, a house that portrays warmth inside it. You see, if you have a warm house, it means people can stay comfortably in that house. That house, you must possess it. Then, when you have at least those 3 things, yes, in the place where you are living, the community can pick interest to consult you. Yes, if at all there is an emergency, if at all the need arises, they can say, why can't you go and consult such and such a person residing at that point? So at community level, the community recognizes you as a responsible citizen because you cannot shift within no time. Yes, you are there to stay, so the community can trust you so much that you are its asset, and by that you'll all the time be there. Though it's possible for you to sell, but it's not easy. Yes, it's not easy to leave that place. So the community trusts you that you are its asset, and you can be consulted at the level of the community. So minimally, as to become a responsible citizen, you can see a plot of land, you can see having a family, yes, promising success. You have a wife, you have a child, then you have a house. It is a big cost to meet in one's life, especially if you are a youth. Yes, you find to attain that level of success, it really costs a lot, and because of that, you realize in our place, for you to come to that level, you'll find you'll be around 30 years and above, but most likely you'll be 35 up to 45 years of age to have achieved that great work or that great level. So likewise, to become successful in life, there are things we must focus on. Yes, for instance, if you want to become highly successful, you see, the purpose of this channel is to educate you about how to become successful. You can become successful in very many directions, but the fundamentals, they remain the same. Whether you are a driver, whether you are a doctor, whether you are an engineer, whether you are a pilot, whether you are a chemist, the fundamentals are the same. Yes, we define fundamentals as the basic principles on which accomplishment is made. So those fundamentals are nearly the same. What differs is the direction you have taken to become a successful person. And for today, if you want to become successful fast, yes, very fast in your life, you must have at least focus on these 3 areas. And the first one is you must have a roadmap to the future. You must have a sketch of the roadmap that is taking you to where you are going. That is, you must have a vision. Yes, how will your future look like? You must have answered that question quite in detail. It's very important for you to get some time and you ask yourself, what kind of future do I need? And then, what roadmap am I going to take? Should you attain this roadmap, even if you are at 0, please, you are winning. You are becoming successful. And this is the consistent way. You must maintain your roadmap. Then, the second thing that you must have, if you are to become successful fast, you must set very many goals at the same time. Yes, look around yourself and set goals. Start changing everything at the same time. Yes, change your level of education. Yes, change friends. Yes, have role models. Yes, these are areas that are very crucial. Yes, your goals. What are you going to achieve in 1 year? What are you going to achieve in 10 years? What are you going to achieve in 20 years? Your lifetime goals must be a pile of goals. You should not be that kind of a person to handle one goal after the other, though in that perspective, but you must have a long list of lifetime goals. Yes, starting right away from day-to-day goals, week-to-week goals, month-to-month goals, to lifetime goals. But what is important for you to note is that you must have a pile of goals to achieve. You see, the more you learn how to integrate the perseverance, yes, the looking for this achievement of these goals, the faster you can integrate these goals, the bigger the achievement you'll make. You'll find in a day you have made an achievement of 5-10 goals during that same day. So success will be coming to you so faster as compared to someone who is focusing on one goal at a time. So the piece of advice is here that you accumulate, yes, generate as many goals as possible and start struggling, working towards achieving them at the same time. You'll realize the achievement you'll make in 1 day at the end of a month, you'll have achieved more goals than focusing on one goal. And this is a primary thing for you to become successful. Then the other is about how to play your cards. I mean, how to play with your money. Yes. You see, this is a real example. My dad bought a piece of land in 1927. Yes, he bought it just for pennies. And you know what? Today, if he decided to sell it, it's just a lot of money. Yes, if you find a house of 1990, yes, probably at that time they could value that house at $150. But if you go today, yes, you'll not be surprised. They'll tell you to pay $1 million. You can imagine, from $150 to $1 million. This one is teaching us a very important lesson. It means if you got $150 in 1990 and you kept it up to today, they are not worth, yes, buying that house, not even a quarter of it. You see? But because you invested it in 1990 and you bought a house at $150, now it has gained the value. It means it's your money that has gained the value. Now you can sell off, yes, at $1 million. So when you're playing your cards, when you're planning to, yes, spend your money in particular by buying assets. Assets, these are things that bring money into our pockets. Yes. So guys, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, the Success Ingredients channel, and take note of the points discussed. Thank you for watching.